Morning. Now it is feeling that we are actually in Tamini Ghat. So we have stopped here for breakfast and this is the view. This greenery feels like a therapy yaar. Could you spot that waterfall? My god, there are plenty of them. Finally we are in the clouds. So we have Savla Ghat from here left. You have to park your vehicle somewhere over here. यहाँ से आपको पैदल ही जाना पड़ेगा. A very good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday and today we are going to Savla Ghat which is in Tamini Ghat. So the time is 6 a.m. right now and I am running late. I had to be there till 6 a.m. in Chandni Chowk, but right now I've been walking and it's already 6. Let's see, because it is raining, that is the reason I was a little doubtful on when to leave. But अभी तामिनी घाट ही जा रहे हैं तो बारिश तो लगने ही वाली है. And this is our potholes of Bumkar Chowk, the iconic. Now I'm riding with Vikram, so he's waiting near Chandni Chowk. So I hope the Tamini Ghat is not closed, because we have heard a lot of rumors that Tamini Ghat is closed on weekends now. Hopefully, if it is closed, that is also not a problem. We can go to Lavasa. हम कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ कर ही लेते हैं. Now let's meet you directly at the meeting point. Good morning. कसं आहेस? मला सांग, तामिनीला पण खालनं जातो ना इथून ब्रिजच्या खालनं? Okay, so it is exactly 6:30 now and we are leaving for Tamini. I was waiting on the other side of Chandni Chowk and he was waiting on another side of Chandni Chowk. मुझे लगा हम 15 मिनट ऐसे ही यहाँ पे घूमने वाले हैं, but fortunately हम जल्दी मिल गए and now we are quickly leaving to Savla Ghat. We are just two people right now. Tamini Ghat में तो बहुत सारे लोग रहेंगे ही वैसे. We will have just one break for breakfast. Now let's see, ऐसा कुछ फिक्स नहीं कि कहाँ पे रुकेंगे and we are not sure कि for that viewpoint of Savla Ghat a trek will be required or not. If the trek is required, then it will be little difficult because I am wearing riding boots and in boots I cannot trek, but it is fine, we'll manage somehow. यहाँ पे one of my friend used to live, अभिषेक, उसका एरिया भी सही था यार. जीजाई, ये एक मीटिंग पॉइंट अच्छा है बहुत लोगों का. So he is Vikram. I'll mention the Insta ID. He don't have a YouTube, but I'll make sure I mention the Insta ID. Make sure you follow him. भाई चॉकलेट बॉय है भाई अपना बंदा, आप उसको फॉलो करो, आपको पता चल जाएगा. I was expecting some clouds over here because last year when we came यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा clouds थे, but today I cannot see any clouds over here. यार यहाँ पे clouds क्यों नहीं है यार? That is the only reason nowadays I am at least riding to see the cloud formation in the morning. अब लोनावला जाओगे तो आपको 10 बजे पे मिलेगा. मुझे क्यों इतने कम लोग दिख रहे हैं तामिनी घाट के रोड पे? ये सच में बंद है क्या? Man, finally we are in the forest. Okay. These signals really help for the riders. I just wish not only riders but everyone in the society should learn the signals, so at least the person behind you can just tackle the pothole. This greenery feels like a therapy yaar to me. There is literally no one on this road, bro. ये weekend पे this area, this is the, like you can say, center. So the road which came from there comes from Hinjawadi side. So if you are coming from Hinjawadi, you will get along at this route and सीधा जो आते हैं अपन वो कोथरूड साइड से आते हैं. यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा ट्रैफिक रहती है हमेशा, but I don't know why it is not there. Finally we can see some moving clouds. This is the first spot where I have spotted this. I have actually came for this. So we have stopped here for breakfast. The place is called Hotel Pranjal Misal and this is the view. यहाँ पे I have came in COVID in 2021 I guess. So I have ordered dosa, he has ordered idli and vada, and this is the view for today. So we are done with the breakfast. थोड़ा लंबा हो गया ब्रेक, but ठीक है, चिल करने ही आए अपन. The time is 8 a.m. right now. It feels like 12. I don't know why. और बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होके गई है. Now यहाँ पे ऐसी है, बारिश आएगी जाएगी. यार एक रेस्टोरेंट था यहाँ पे, यही वाला. यहाँ पे हॉट चॉकलेट ट्राई करना भाई. इतना सही हॉट चॉकलेट मैंने लाइफ में कभी नहीं पिया है. हम जहाँ पे बैठे थे, एक बंदा बलेनो में आया एंड ही सॉ द रेस्टोरेंट और उसने डायरेक्टली लेफ्ट ले लिया. इंडिकेटर में कुछ नहीं और पीछे एक कपल था. ऑलमोस्ट दे वर अबाउट टू हिट. लाइक फॉर द कार ड्राइवर, अगर आपको कार चलानी नहीं आती है तो मत चलाओ भाई. दूसरों की लाइफ रिस्क में मत डालो. बेसिक चीज है, अगर आप टर्न लेना चाहते हो तो एटलीस्ट गिव अ इंडिकेटर. पीछे वाले को सपना नहीं गिरेगा कि आपको घूमना है करके. Could you spot that waterfall? My God, there are plenty of them. This looks like a necklace waterfall which is in Bhandadara. What the fuck? This actually looks like a necklace waterfall. Wow. What beauty is this, yaar? Now it is feeling that we are actually in Taminigarh. अभी थोड़ा weather वैसे हो गया है. So this is Tamini on 5th of July. जिसने भी ये वीडियो बनाया है कि Tamini is closed today, you are doing a good job bro. Make sure तुम ऐसी रील्स अपलोड करना ताकि यहाँ पे ज्यादा लोग नहीं आए और हम अच्छे से एंजॉय कर पाए. And finally, we are in the clouds. Bro, this is exactly what I wanted. This was the weather that I was expecting. तामिनी में जब तक फॉग नहीं आए ना तब तक मजा नहीं आता है. In 300 meters, that is a right. So we have a right from here. Savla Ghat. Okay, brother. Okay. यार क्या वेदर है, क्या वेदर है. बीओडी. यार I'm so happy, so happy. This is my first ride in rainy season where this much fog is included. So we have Savla Ghat from here, left. I don't know where this is taking me now. I can spot just one car over here. I just hope कि ज्यादा भीड़ ना रहे वहां पे, नहीं तो कोई पॉइंट नहीं बनेगा यार आने का. I guess there is a toll. फक्त काय असे बाय लक माझ्याकडे पैसे होते कॅश. हा कोड बघ किती भारी. प्लीज डोंट पार्क टू क्लोज, आय एम फॅट. भारी आहे. So, update for Savle Ghat. If you are coming, there is a ticket over here of 100 rupees. अबे क्या गाड़ी पार्क करे? तो what is the point of it, bro? अरे यार, क्या ही मतलब है फिर 100 रुपए देने का. So you have to park your vehicle somewhere over here. यहाँ से आपको पैदल ही जाना पड़ेगा. So we are leaving now and you can see the crowd at 10:30 a.m. So this is the advantage of coming early. The time that we came, we just had 2-3 bikes over here, and now you can see So we are taking an exit from the Tamini Ghat now. It was such a beautiful waterfall. Like this was the first time I visited that place. But if you are coming in Tamini, make sure you visit this place. So Mahima,
Great.
yes,
Bye
see
bye.
you. Bye bye.